Sir Anthony Okonkwo with the Ozo title of Akosiniwe Enugwu-Ukwu Nomonri, and his brother Alexander Okonkwo with the Ozo title of Nwakibie Enugwu-Ukwu Nomonri have been initiated into the prestigious Ozonkpu Enugwu-Ukwu community in Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. Events held at Obu Nwakibie Urobo village, Enugwu-Ukwu, began with a ceremonial procession of the Nwakibies to the Nwakibies compound with members of the Ozo Enugwu-Ukwu na Omonre People Association, who were adorned in full Ozo regalia and traditional paraphernalia such as Ngwu Agrega and the Abangwefi, moving at the vibrant rhythms of the Ibweze Cultural Music Band. Correspondent Joseph Ebocha tells us more.
Speaking after their Ozonkpu initiation ceremony proper, Sirs Anthony and Alexander Okonkwo promised to use their position to uplift the downtrodden and contribute more to the progress and development of the community. The ceremony was witnessed by the grand patron of Ozo Enugwu-Ukwu Society and traditional ruler of the community, Igwe Sir Ralph Ebe, Onyeisi Ozo, pharmacist Raphael Okafor, and president of Ozo Society and traditional prime minister of the community, Ozonkpu Dennis Anekwe, among members of the Ozo Society, family members, friends, and well-wishers.